Are you ready for day 17? Here it is. Let's see what we have. Oh, it's the heart, the cancer ribbon. All right, let me create a card with this. I went back to the Floral Dance paper because it's a gorgeous paper and it's perfect for this stamp. And they have in there these cut-aparts. And I saw this one. It says, "You are the greatest project you will ever work on." I think that's a very encouraging thing to say to someone who's fighting cancer, no matter what. I'm thinking with this being female breast cancer, but it could be any kind of cancer. I then found this pattern in there that goes with it. So I pulled that out. I didn't pull out a background for this. I was thinking black, but I thought that's too depressing. So I may try a green. I have a piece for the layer of my stamp and a piece for this layer. I have my piece of white to stamp on and my card base. I'm going to stamp this with a mauve color. I think it's going to be close to that pink. I don't have a pink that matches that. And then I have my 1 1/4 and my 1 3/8 because I don't know which size is going to work. If the 1 1/4 works, then I can use that to cut out the other piece. All right, let's see. All right, I'm going to try again. Sometimes I think it's the stamps. All right, let's try it here. Or the ink pad rather, not the stamps. Oh well, that one's a better color, but I stamped all over it, so it won't work. All right, let me try this again. I'm not going to ink it up as much. That's better. Okay. Well, let's see if the 1 1/4 works. That was the 1 3/8. Yeah, the 1 1/4 is better. So I have that. Now I can punch out my layer. All right. And I'm wondering, see, I think that's going to be too much pink. I don't know. Let me get this put together and I'll see. Maybe the green would be better. I'll look and see if I have a green that will go. Okay. Oh, there it is. I'm looking all over for my ATG gun and it's right in front of me. All right. All right. Let's put this on. And there's not going to be a lot of border, but just a little bit. I don't want too much to overpower it. And see. All right, let me look at greens, see what I have. I like these little ones for smaller images or tiny spaces. All right, let's get this on. And this up here. And we need some silver gems. So I've got some right here. And I'm gonna put them in a row right across. One more. Come on. Got it. And we have day 17 of our Advent calendar. Bye.